Be ready to assess learners' comprehension of concepts and terminology by creating and storing fill-in-the-blank questions. This tutorial shows how to create a fill-in-the-blank question with multiple blanks in Question Library. To begin, from Question Library, click New. Then, select Fill-in-the-Blanks question. Give the question a title, if desired. The title displays in the question list in Question Library. Then, navigate to the question text section. Enter the text that will appear before the first blank in the question. Next, navigate to the first blank section. For this example, we will use 4 blanks with an interchangeable order of answers weighted equally at 25%, and answers will be case insensitive. Enter the correct answer or answers for the first blank, and enter the weight the correct answer will have towards the question's overall points value. Continue this process for the remaining texts and blanks. To view how your completed question will appear to learners, click Preview. Review the question, and click Done. When you are ready, click Save. Be ready to assess learners' comprehension of concepts and terminology by creating and storing fill-in-the-blank questions.